Mina, I'm here for Scots.
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 Oh, uthandani uScots?
Yabona manje.
Uyadinga man. Awunamali.
Ufuna ungena emalayisini. Super Zaza. Singaba yini ngaphandle kwezaza mshanami. Mama unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
I'm super cool, mamas. Mama, qhubeka sikhulume bese babuka ivideo uzobani igama.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Katini. You can check me on all platforms. Katini Mtega. Katini Mtega.
Oh, this is okay. Like a cashies.
Cat, but you can call me Cat.
Oh, okay. So mama, so ubewa yini la namhlanje because first. Uyisanele Ricky, nami uyisanele vibe, nami uzobuka nje abantu. Ozogodloza mfethu.
Mina, I'm here for Scots.
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 Oh, uthandani uScots?
Yabona manje.
Uyadinga man. Awunamali.
Ufuna ungena emalayisini. Maphasa emalayisini. So ungasini kumuntu ongekho namhlanje ubuka ivideo.
Next year. What?
Ozalana mfethu.
Exactly.
Apply once.
What?
Mshanami. So, ayezi mkolotela imali azelana.
Ne? Tina.
Ne?
Okay.
Okay, mama. No, the guy out the best.
Okay.
I have before you be able to say for the phone now.
Yeah.
Let's send a phone.
Guys, Instagram.
Oh, send to Insta. My parents now phoning me and the guys that's not super. Now I'm telling me how to run over the guy mama.
Katini Mtega. KATINIMCITEKA. Katini Mtega.
Bafethu ngicela nilalele isizwe mfethu ngimanga ngifuna kimi so usekuriki wafundani
Ubani?
uriki wayifunda kuyena
Ah, yabona ngoku buzi izinto.
Women are not nice. You see women.
Forever, what? Drip is forever.
Pushing a poster. I heard they was talking about racks. I opened my bag and pushing a poster. Pushing a poster. Pushing a poster. Pushing a poster. Pushing a poster.